let's be smart about this. First off, let's drill a hole to relieve whatever pressure
Sure isn't.
before I start trying to cut it.
Right about the time you hesitated, I was thinking, yeah.
Yeah, probably about. Okay. No pressure.
Yeah, it would have to be like something.
So what? What in the world? Well, my springs are intact. I don't really see any reason for it to have expanded. But yeah, see how this works.
Yeah.
So this is down. You don't have a connection in between these two wires. No continuity. Goes up,
Boom.
and then boom, you're
Those
making
clips
contact
right there.
there.
Yeah. And look at that. Nothing.
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 Yeah. Otherwise, I don't. Looks like it should still be working.